Hello friends, welcome back to our channel studydesk4u, and today I would like to discuss about HTML tables. By using these tables we can arrange data in a tabular form. So let's see how to use this. But before we get started, let's have agenda for today's session. In this first, I'm going to introduce what is table and how to use this table and what are the attributes to associate with this table tag, and finally execution for this table. And let's get into it. And the first one, table tag. Tabular form is nothing but collection of rows and columns. We can give multiple columns in a row. By using this table, we can arrange data into rows and columns. To define a table, we need to use this table tag. And we have different tags in this table tag. Those are first one, caption. To mention caption, we need to use caption tag. But this caption we need to mention immediate after this table tag. And the next one is tr. It is used to define a table row. If you want to define a row in a table, we need to use this tr tag. And the next one is th tag. Th is nothing but table header. It is used to define a table header. By default, the text in th tag are bold and centered alignment. So if you use this th, the text is displayed as bold and centered alignment. And the last one is td tag, table data. It is used to define table data. And by default, the text in this td tag are displayed like regular and left alignment. So all these are tags associated with this table tag. Now let's see the attributes which are associated with this table tag. The first one is border. We can use this border attribute of table tag to specify a border. So if you want to specify a border for a table, we can use this border and the thickness. And the next attribute is cell spacing. Cell spacing is nothing but distance between two cells. A space between two cells is called as cell spacing. We need to mention that attribute within the table tag, that is table, border and cell spacing equal to 0. If you specify this one, it gives 0 space between the cells. And the next one is cell padding. Cell padding is nothing but distance between cell border and data. So if you want to mention this space between the border and the table data, we need to use cell padding and we have to give the space value here. Here I mentioned 5. I will show how to use these things in the execution section. And the next attribute is row span and col span. These are used to merge the cells. If you want to merge multiple cells, we can use this row span and col span. And particularly a row span is used to merge the cells within a row. So if you want to merge the cells in multiple rows, we can use this. Here I have an example. In this I have 1 to 10 numbers. Especially for 6, I merged 2 rows. Last 2 rows I merged and entered only 6 value. So if you want to do like this, we are going to use row span here. And the next one is col span. If you want to merge cells in multiple columns, we can use this col span. In this example for 5, I merged second column and third column and I'll get like this. So if you want to do like this, we can use this col span. So all these are attributes which are associated with this table tag. Now let's see the execution for this. How to use these tags and attributes for a table, we'll see in this execution part. For execution, I opened Visual Studio Code. In this I'm going to explain, and my folder HTML. In this I have content.html. I'm going to open this. In this I have some basic tags here. Now I'm adding few more tags here, and my title, this is table, and h1 tag, again table creation. So this is for heading, and the first tag is table. So in this table I'm going to add t-head. This t-head is for table headers. So if you want to give any headers for your table, we can use this t-head. So I'm going to add in this t-head th. So th, I'm going to enter student records. So first one serial number, and again one more th, person name, and the next one th, person address. So these are my headers. Now I'm going to add normal data. So that is T body. Basically we have two sections in table headers and table body. As like our HTML program head and body, our table is also having headers and body. So in this header content we need to mention all the headers, and within the body we need to mention all the data which we are going to show in the table format. So in this table body, I'm going to enter different rows. So for that, I'm going to add tier. In a particular tier, I'm going to add different data. So TD. So in this TD, the first one is for serial number, I'm going to add 1. Again TD, person name and some address. TD, some address. So this entirely is in one row. This one and row, person name and person address. All these three values are arranged in one row. Like this, I want multiple rows. So I copied this one, Control plus C and Control plus V. So I'll get 3 rows here. Now I'm going to change the values, the person name and the person address. And third one. So now let us execute this one. Now we have to save this one. So the shortcut key is, I'm going to use save as here. So Control Shift S. Now I'm going to change this as content to table.html, our extension, and save. Now execute this one, Alt plus B. You will get table creation here. So serial number, serial name and address, and the values are here. So basically we have 2 parts in table headers and table body. So here we don't have any border here. So right now I'm applying some border. For that, come back, Alt tab. Now in this table tag, I'm going to add border equal to 1. So now save this, Control S, Alt plus B. You will get some border here, but within the border you will get individual cells here. Now we need to remove those individual cells to arrange that in a tabular form. So for that, I'm going to add one more attribute, that is cell spacing. I'm removing that space between cells. So cell spacing equal to 0. Now save this, Control plus S, Alt plus B for execution. Now you will get tabular format without individual cells. Now come back here. I'm going to arrange properly because all are arranged in left side. So now I'm adding some space here. For that, cell padding. Cell padding is nothing but distance between table border and the content. So I'm adding something 5 here. So Control S for save, Alt plus B for execution. It just a bit it moved. So I'm going to increase the size here. So cell padding 20. Control S, Alt plus B for execution. So you will get some distance between border and content. So like this, if you want to arrange the data in a tabular format, we can use this table tag and some attributes here. And in this bottom, we have one more part here, that is after this table body, we have one more part, that is footer area. So if you want to add foot, we can use this foot. As usual, table row, tr and td tags. So copy this and I'm going to paste here, Control V. So you will get here, so 2 and last 3. So now save this, Alt plus B. You will get some footer area here. So like this, if you want to display, you can use this footer, but it is optional. So this is about table. Defaultly, we haven't any border. So if you want to apply border for table tag, we can use this border option. And to remove the spaces, use cell spacing. And to allow some spaces, use cell padding. And we have 2 more attributes. Those are call span and row span. So for that, I'm going to take one more table here. So after this table tag, I'm going to add HR for horizontal line. Now again table. So for that table, so I'm going to copy entirely here from the table. Copy, Control V. Now I'm going to change the values here. So I'm removing this table head part. So this is optional, and only I'm writing here table body. So without body also you can enter directly from TR. So like this, I'll show you one thing. So I'll remove all these things, T body and close T body. I'm going to remove body section. In this table tag, I'm directly adding rows. So I'm not having headers here. Right now I'm adding only values. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. I'm removing this one because I want to merge these 2 cells. So I'll add only 5. And after 5, 6 and 7 and 8. I'm going to add one more row here. So copy and paste. So last values 9 and 10. I'm removing last data. So this is my table right now. Now save this, Control plus S, Alt B. You will get another table here, but I haven't mentioned third value in the second row and last value in the last row. So let's merge the cells here. In the TD, in the 5th cell, I'm going to apply call span equal to, I'm going to merge two cells, so I'm going to apply 2. So if you want to merge 3 cells, 4 cells, you can use 3, 4 like that. So right now 2 cells, so I used 2 and apply this one. So copy. So save this, Control plus yes, Alt B. If you observe, these two cells are merged right now, but the data is in first cell. Now I want to arrange this cell data into center. So for that we have one more attribute, that is align equal to center. So we need to mention within quotations. So save this, Alt B. So you will get center alignment. Now let's see the last one, that is row span. So for that, in the 8th one, I'm going to apply row span equal to, again I want to span 2 cells, so use 2. So save this, Alt plus B. So you will get merging cells in the last. So like this, you can use row span and call span for merging multiple cells. So this is about table creation. That's it for today. And thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. And for online or offline classes, visit our website www.fretalionotech.com. And for more tutorials, visit our one more website www.kennisworld.com. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon for further notification. And if you like this video, please like and share. Thanks for watching.